Okay, here's Avery. We're having a little breakfast snack. She has really cute hiccups. They make her sound like a mouse. Can you hiccup for us? Oh, there's a little one. Yeah. There it was. You sound like a little mouse. I know, it's hard to talk when you have hiccups. Yeah. Keeps interrupting you. Yeah. Are you gonna have some stars? Yeah. Find the right one. Find the right one. Yeah. Yep. Good job. You only dropped approximately 10 of them in the process. Yeah. So, all in all, good percentage. Yeah? Mm-hmm. 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 Where are those hiccups? Yeah? There it was. Look how long your hair is, monkey. I know. You're like, leave me alone, Mom. Avery's favorite sound right now is smacking. Yeah, say. Oh, okay. After you eat, I mean. Yeah. Can I show everyone how long your hair is? Look at this. Oh my goodness. And it's a little curly. Yeah. Your hiccups gone? No. Say Mom. Hey, Mom. Oh. Why are you over here? Come back over here. Come back over here, silly. Yeah. You gonna take, oh, okay. Pretty sure this is my camera. Yeah, pretty sure. Not sure what she's saying, but sounds kind of serious. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's true. Oh. If only these darn hiccups would go away. You gonna have some more stars? Oh, there's that sound. Mm-hmm. You're bouncing in your chair. Let's look at the toesies. Yeah. It's a toesy shot. Yeah. Uh-huh. Are you done with this? What was that? Any more stars? You have like 20 left. But your waffles are heating up for breakfast. Yeah. Stars. Okay, you want to say bye? Okay. Say bye, Munchkin. Bye.